Hello and welcome to our channel where we delve, dive, and dip into food health connections for people and pets. In this channel we take a high-level look at the health benefits linked to foods, and then we provide some food and drink ideas to help you incorporate these into your everyday life. Are you looking for the perfect sugar substitutes to maintain your keto lifestyle without compromising on taste? In this video, we'll be diving into 5 keto sugar substitutes that will satisfy your sweet tooth to help you maintain your keto diet regime. After we share these great alternatives, we'll splash some more fun on this topic and take a tasty culinary journey to showcase some delicious food dish and drink ideas using these substitutes. We understand the importance of finding the right sugar substitutes that align with your keto goals. Whether you're baking, cooking, or sweetening your beverages, these substitutes will provide the sweetness you crave without the guilt. Alright, let's dive in and explore the world of delicious and keto-friendly sweeteners. Allulose. Allulose is a lesser-known but highly promising keto sugar substitute. This natural sweetener is derived from fruits like figs and raisins, offering a taste similar to traditional sugar without the added calories. It is low in carbs and does not spike blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those following a ketogenic diet. While allulose provides a sweet flavor profile, it is at a slightly higher cost compared to other sugar substitutes. Additionally, some users may experience digestive discomfort when consuming allulose in large quantities. Compared to the higher-ranked options, allulose may not be as widely available in stores, requiring some effort to source. However, its unique properties make it a valuable addition to your keto pantry, especially for those looking to reduce their sugar intake without sacrificing taste. Overall, allulose offers a great alternative to traditional sugar for keto enthusiasts seeking a sweetener that aligns with their dietary goals. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol derived from birch bark or corn cobs and offers a sweetness similar to sugar with a lower glycemic index. Xylitol is known for its dental benefits, as it can help prevent tooth decay and cavities. While xylitol is a popular choice for those following a keto diet, it has some potential digestive side effects when consumed in large amounts. Some individuals may experience bloating or diarrhea, especially if they have a sensitivity to sugar alcohols. However, its ability to promote dental health sets it apart from other sugar substitutes on the market. Overall, xylitol is a versatile sweetener that can be used in a variety of keto-friendly recipes, making it a valuable addition to your pantry for those looking to satisfy their sweet cravings while maintaining their low-carb lifestyle. Erythritol. This sugar alcohol occurs naturally in fruits and fermented foods and is popular for its zero-calorie content and low impact on blood sugar levels. Erythritol provides a sweetness similar to sugar without the bitter aftertaste often associated with other sugar substitutes. Erythritol's main advantage lies in its digestive tolerance, as it is well tolerated by most individuals and is unlikely to cause gastrointestinal distress, unlike some other sugar alcohols. Compared to other keto sugar alternatives, erythritol may have a slightly lower sweetness level, requiring a slightly larger amount to achieve the desired level of sweetness in recipes. However, its versatility and ease of use make it a popular choice for those looking to reduce their sugar intake while still enjoying sweet treats on a keto diet. Overall, erythritol is a reliable and widely available sugar substitute that can enhance the flavor of your favorite keto-friendly dishes without compromising your dietary goals. Monk fruit. This natural sweetener, also known as luo han guo, is derived from the monk fruit plant native to Southeast Asia. Monk fruit extract contains compounds called mogrosides, which provide a sweet taste without impacting blood sugar levels, making it an excellent choice for those following a ketogenic diet. Monk fruit stands out for its intense sweetness, as it is significantly sweeter than sugar, allowing you to use less of it in your recipes while still achieving the desired level of sweetness. Additionally, monk fruit does not have a bitter aftertaste, unlike some other sugar substitutes, making it a favorite among those with a sensitive palate. Compared to other substitute options, monk fruit may be slightly more expensive, but its unique flavor profile and high sweetness level make it a popular choice for keto enthusiasts looking to indulge in sweet treats without the guilt. Incorporating monk fruit into your cooking and baking can elevate your dishes to a whole new level of deliciousness while keeping your carb intake in check. Stevia. At the pinnacle of keto sugar substitutes is stevia, a natural sweetener extracted from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. Stevia reigns supreme for its zero-calorie content and zero effect on blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for those following a ketogenic lifestyle. Stevia's remarkable sweetness, up to 200 to 300 times sweeter than sugar, allows for a minimal amount to be used to achieve the desired sweetness in recipes. Unlike some sugar substitutes, stevia does not have a bitter aftertaste, providing a clean and pure sweetness that enhances the flavors of your dishes without any unwanted flavors. Compared to other sugar substitutes, stevia is widely available, affordable, and versatile, making it a go-to option for keto enthusiasts looking to satisfy their sweet cravings without compromising their dietary goals. Its natural origin and lack of impact on blood sugar levels set it apart as a top choice for those seeking a healthier alternative to sugar in their daily lives. Food and drink ideas. Now that we understand these 5 keto sugar substitutes, let's look at some delicious keto food and drink ideas that will satisfy your cravings without compromising your diet. Matcha Latte. This delightful beverage combines the earthy flavors of matcha with the creamy goodness of almond milk, making it a refreshing and energizing keto choice. You can make it subtly or starkly sweet, using one of the keto sugar substitutes of your choice, to enjoy a guilt-free healthy drink. Almond flour pancakes. These fluffy and nutty pancakes offer a delightful twist on a classic breakfast favorite. Made with almond flour and keto sugar substitutes, these pancakes are not only low in carbs but also high in protein, making them a satisfying and nutritious choice for your keto diet. Low-carb cheesecake. This decadent dessert is known for its luscious and creamy texture. It rivals traditional cheesecakes when keto sugar substitutes, keto fruits, and almond flour are used. The low-carb cheesecake offers a rich and indulgent treat without the guilt, making it a top choice for satisfying your sweet tooth on a keto diet. Chocolate pudding. Chocolate pudding is a luxurious and velvety dessert that combines the richness of chocolate with the creaminess of heavy cream. This indulgent treat's chocolatey flavor can be elevated to a decadent level with a pinch of instant coffee and then complemented with a low-carb nut of your choice. The chocolate pudding offers a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet cravings. You can add a unique essential fat and antioxidants to it by incorporating avocados into the recipe. To learn more about the amazing health benefits linked to avocado and omega-3 rich foods, click on this video link or click on the link below in the description. We've explored 4 delicious keto sugar substitute food dishes and drinks that are sure to tantalize your taste buds while keeping you on track with your keto goals. From the creamy chocolate pudding to the invigorating keto matcha latte, each item offers a unique and satisfying experience. We encourage you to explore these delectable options further and discover the endless possibilities of keto cooking. In this video, we've explored 5 keto sugar substitutes that can sweeten your life while keeping you in ketosis. From allulose to stevia, each of these sweeteners offers unique benefits and flavors to enhance your keto experiences. We encourage you to delve deeper into these sugar substitutes and experiment with incorporating them into your favorite recipes and drinks. Thank you for joining us on this informational and flavorful journey about keto sugar substitutes. We hope this video was of value to you and you feel inspired to try these food ideas and explore the world of keto sugar substitutes. If you found this video informative and engaging, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on nutrition, health, and wellness.